kings and queens? It's your girl Kayla DeReese. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's good? Alright guys, happy Wealth Wednesday. It is another Wednesday where we're going to discuss financial planning, learning how to manage your money in a way that allows you to work towards living debt free, still cover all of your expenses, and have money left over. And if that interests you, keep watching. Today I want to discuss a money management rule that is not new, but it's definitely effective. The 50-30-20 rule. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I say is solely based off of my personal experiences and research. So let's jump into it. So the 50-30-20 rule. Simply put, this means that 50% of your income after taxes is used for your needs, 30% goes to your wants, and the last 20% goes towards your savings or any debt payments that you have. This is a good rule of thumb if you have steady income or if you have multiple streams of income. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a visual person, so here's a visual of the breakdown of the 50-30-20 rule. So here's just a simple pie chart that I made. It's just given like a visual for the breakdown, and the 50% obviously is going to be the teal, the 30% is going to be the purple, and then the 20% is going to be the coral color. So with the teal being the 50%, your needs is going to be things like rent, mortgage, groceries, car payment, student loans, insurance, utilities, electricity, basically the things that you can't go without. Now for your wants, the 30%, those are going to be things like shopping, eating out, going out for coffee or drinks, cable, your cell phone bill even, any type of luxury item, you know, the things that you want but you don't necessarily have to have. So for the 20%, that's going to be anything that is savings related and or debt related. So if you still have debt to pay off, obviously you'll want to use the 20% for that. But if you do not, then that money can go towards your savings accounts, your investment funds, your retirement plan, so your 401k, or even an IRA, things of that nature. So yeah guys, this is just a simple pie chart, nothing major. I just kind of wanted to give you all a visual. So let's just jump back to the video. Depending on your income and overhead expenses, sometimes this rule of thumb is not an option. However, one can always make adjustments to the percentages so that the same rule of thumb is applied, but it is fit specific for your needs. For example, maybe your needs take 60% of your income. Then maybe you do 60-20-20 or 60-10-30. It just totally depends on the individual. You have to evaluate your own personal finances to know what you can stretch and how you can kind of add up those percentages. What makes the most sense for you? Applying this rule of thumb to my personal finances is new for me. I've known of it for years. However, I've never actually tried to put it into effect. So we're just gonna see how this goes. But comment below if you've ever used the 50-30-20 rule, if you liked it, if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you, if you needed to make any type of adjustment. That's all I have for you all today. I will see you all back for the next Wealth Wednesday. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.